Hello everyone. Friends, in previous lecture we discussed Mervin-Ponroy-Hurley reduction, that is MPV reduction. In this reduction, the carbonyl group it will be converted into the alcohol. Now, in today's lecture we will start the remaining part of aldehyde and ketone, that is analysis of aldehyde and ketone. All aldehyde and ketone gives solid when addition of the sodium bisulfate. To distinguish aldehyde and ketone, we use the Tollens reagent. The aldehyde, it reduces the Tollens reagent to give the silver mirror test, and it get oxidized to acid, and ketone do not give this test. So how will you prepare the Tollens reagent? The preparation of Tollens reagent is that here, first we take the silver nitrate AgNO3 plus NaOH, sodium hydroxide, we get the AgOH plus NaNO3. Now the silver oxide, that is AgOH plus ammonium hydroxide twice NH4OH, we get the Tollens reagent, that is AgNH3 twice OH plus twice H2O. This is the Tollens reagent. In next step, this Tollens reagent reacts with aldehyde. Here we take the acetaldehyde, CH3 C double bond OH, acetaldehyde plus Tollens reagent twice AgNH3 twice OH. Okay. Now here the acetaldehyde it will be reduces, or it will be the oxidized to acid. It will be oxidized to acid. Here we get the CH3C double bond OH. Okay. That means when you use the Tollens reagent at that time, the aldehyde it will be oxidized to the acid plus twice Ag, that means silver mirror, plus twice NH3H2O. That means from this test we can confirm that, or we can distinguish aldehyde and ketone. That means when you use the Tollens reagent, the aldehyde it reduces the Tollens reagents and it gives the silver mirror test and get oxidized to acid, while the ketone do not give this test. Another method to distinguish aldehyde and ketone is the filling solutions. That means aldehyde also reduces the filling solutions and give the red PPT of copper oxide and itself get oxidized to acid. And here again ketone do not give this test. Here we take the aldehyde, acetaldehyde plus twice copper twice U plus 5 OH minus, and here we get here again a salt CH3C double bond O minus plus red PPT. Okay, that means when you use the aldehyde reduces the filling solution and we get the red PPT, and ketone do not give this test. In this way we distinguish the aldehyde and ketone. For distinguish the aldehyde and ketone, we use the Tollens reagents or the filling solution. Another, aldehyde reacts with the skip reagent to give pink color, and ketone do not give this test. Okay, this is the third reagent to distinguish aldehyde and ketone. First we discuss Tollens reagent, number 2 filling solution, and skip reagent. That means these three reagents is used to distinguish aldehyde and ketone. Now all methyl ketones and only acetaldehyde reacts with the NaOH plus I2 to give the iodoform test. This is the most important. All methyl ketones and only acetaldehydes reacts with NaOH plus I2, that means NaOH plus I2 to give iodoform, that is yellow solid. Reaction shown by ketones and not by aldehydes. That means reaction only shown by ketones, not by aldehyde, is the ketone get reduces to secondary alcohol with active metals like magnesium, and see the formations of pinacol with the magnesium metal and acetone. Next, all aldehydes and ketone reacts with the NH2OH, that means hydroxylamine, to give the oxime, and react with 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine to form 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazone, and with a semicarbazide to form the semicarbazone. This is about the analysis of aldehyde and ketone. So friend, never miss a video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you.